Hey guys, how to view friends' game activity on Steam Mobile. So, first of all, log into your account and make sure that you updated the app to the latest version. Now, in order to access it, tap on the avatar at the top, in the top right corner of the Steam Mobile app, right? And you're gonna see right here the first option in the My Content. You can click Friend Activity, right? And basically select the friend activity to view list of your friends' recent gaming activities, such as games they're playing, achievements they've unlocked, and more. Note that you can only view your friends' activity if they have opt to share it with you. If a friend set their activity to private, you won't be able to see their information. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely